Hi, I'm Michelle from Cairns Property Office. Welcome to Unit 6, number 12 Girralong Drive in Woree. Come take a look. So this is a fully renovated 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. So as you can see, it is completely redone. The tiles are completely new, the walls have been repainted, they've got LED downlights in the ceilings.
Cool fans.
That fan is fabulous.
We're in love with the fan.
We are in love with the fan. And kitchen, totally new kitchen. So new benchtops here. You've got the induction oven up the top here as well. And then the built-in oven here.
So good.
So nice.
Love the splashbacks.
Splashback is also beautiful. Range hood, and that black is really on trend too at the moment, so that's really nice as well. And over here there's the double drawer dishwasher, which is really handy as well. And they do also have a laundry in here.
Surprise laundry.
Yeah. So that's the laundry there.
And Michelle, the washing machine and dryer, they come with the apartment?
They come with the unit, yes. So the dryer and washing machine both come with the unit, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, so that's really nice as well. So we'll just keep going.
Just doing a few shots from the back. So there's a storage cupboard there.
Storage cupboard here.
Yeah.
So that's always good in a unit to have a bit of extra storage.
I love this bathroom.
Bathroom, fully renovated. So have a look at the bathroom. I'll let you go on first actually.
I love the mirror.
Mirror's gorgeous. So fully new kitchen countertop, the shower is all new. Have a look at the tiles as well. The tiles are really nice as well.
So nice. Flashy new mirror. It changes the light on whatever setting that you want, so you just need to press that button and it changes the lighting.
It's great for when you need to do makeup and everything.
Yeah.
Have the forward light.
Yeah.
So there's 2 bedrooms here in the corner. So this is the first one here. Both the bedrooms have built-in robes, which is always handy. You can see that fan again they've used in all of the rooms, which is really nice. Yeah. This one's a single bed, but you could also comfortably fit a double bed in here as well. Yeah. So this is the second bedroom. So as you can see, it's a little bit bigger than the first one that we showed. So you could comfortably fit a queen bed in this one, and it's also got the built-in robes here. And this one's mirrored, and it's also a bit bigger than the other one as well. And the fan again, which we love. Yeah.
But yeah, it's a nice big room.
Yeah, it's a good size bedroom, this one. So yeah, so that's the unit. So yeah, so it's a great unit. It's perfect for first home buyers. It's great as an investment property for your next investment if you're looking for one. So we're just in Woree on Girralong Road, number 12, unit number 6. Close to schools, close to daycare centres, close to town as well.
Transport's close too.
Transport.
Buses along Two Good Road there, very
Oh,
close.
perfect. Yep, so there's the buses there as well. So if you're looking for your next investment property or your first home buyer, so it'd be a great one to check out. Have a look at the open home times listed. Thanks so much.